Across the UK, a new wave of AI traffic cameras is already appearing on the roads. These aren't just the old yellow boxes. They use 4D radar, high-resolution video, and artificial intelligence to watch how you drive, not just how fast you drive. In this short video, you'll see what these cameras can do, where they're turning up, and how to avoid getting caught out. For years, we've had simple speed cameras. They mostly measured one thing: your speed. Now we have systems like Redspeed Sentio, Acusensus heads-up, Genoptic Vector SR, HADECS motorway cameras, and LitterCam for roadside littering. They're being trialed and deployed in different parts of the UK right now, and more will follow over the next few years. Redspeed Sentio is a compact 4D radar camera already used in places like Lambeth and other trial regions. It can track several lanes at once, measure your speed, and use AI to flag suspected offenses such as mobile phone use or seatbelt issues before a human reviews the evidence. The Genoptic Vector SR camera is a slim gray box on a pole. It often looks like a simple CCTV unit, but it works as a 24/7 digital speed camera, quietly enforcing limits without a big flash or yellow housing. If you see a tall trailer or van with a camera mast on top, that may be Acusensus heads up. It's designed to look down into cars, through windscreens and side windows, to spot drivers on their phones, unbelted occupants, and even unrestrained children. Trials in areas like Devon and Cornwall have already caught thousands of offenses and are now moving into ongoing enforcement. On smart motorways, HADECS cameras on gantries enforce the variable speed limits shown above each lane. If a limit is displayed, assume the camera is active. Some councils are also using LitterCam. It uses AI to spot people throwing rubbish from vehicles, records the offense in high definition, and can lead to hefty fines for the registered keeper. Because these systems watch for several behaviors at the same time, one short journey can generate multiple offenses: speeding, phone use, no seatbelt, littering from a vehicle. Add those penalties together, and you could easily face hundreds of pounds in fines and enough points to lose your license. The best defense is simple: stick to the speed limit. Always wear your seatbelt. Do not touch your phone while driving. Navigation apps like Waze or Google Maps and legal speed camera alerts are allowed in the UK as long as the phone is in a proper holder and used hands-free. Passive detectors that just receive signals or GPS data are legal, but any device that jams or interferes with police radar or laser is illegal and can lead to very serious charges, even prison. Remember, even holding your phone at traffic lights still counts as using a handheld device while in control of a vehicle. New AI cameras are already here, and more are coming. They're watching how you drive, not just how fast you drive. Share this video with anyone who's learning to drive or has just passed their test. For safer, more confident driving, this update was brought to you by Pass Plus School of Motoring. Stay safe, stay legal, and don't give these new cameras anything to find.